Fill the cap up. Drink it.
I just said Silas's real name. Oops.
He's gonna send it at the beginning.
Oh, come on. Now
Good
you
job.
have to lick
You
it off the
drink it.
table.
Now you gotta lick the table. Lick the table.
Lick the table.
Lick the table.
Lick the table.
Lick the table. Good.
He's
Good.
gonna cry. He's gonna cry.
I threw up on the table.
I almost fell in the water.
Bring the camera here. Bring the camera here.
No one.
No water.
No one.
No, you're gonna throw up. Come on, open up your mouth. Open up your. You have it in your mouth.
Open it. Open it. You have to swallow
If he
it.
runs to the bathroom, you gotta give him one with it.
Swallow it. Swallow it.
Come on, give me some water.
Oh.
Yeah.
Give me water. Someone. Please.
Cut it out.
Cut it out. Come on.
Sid, you had a finger. He drunk it.
He
I don't
choked the
care. I've been
remaining.
enduring this for like a minute now.
Yeah?
Your point being,
I've endured for a minute without being able
Frenchie's
to.
endured it for 5.
Water actually doesn't help at all.
Yeah, it does.
You
It
either have
does
to,
for a few seconds.
it just washes the flavor around. You need to eat eat something with flavor. You're supposed to eat bread actually.